Hey, what's up guys? It's Fast X and Jax. In front of me I have a 2018 Harley Davidson FatBob with the 114 cubic inch motor, and we just stuck a pair of the new Rinehart slip-ons on this bike, and I have to say that they look fantastic. Rinehart did a very good job at attention to detail, and if you actually look at the end caps here and then you look at the fork cap, and if you look at the writing Harley Davidson and you look at the writing Rinehart Racing, they actually match that up as well. So they did a really good job in paying attention to the fine details. They made the exhaust match this bike specifically, and it looks fantastic and it sounds good too. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up and let you guys hear them. All right, so these slip-ons were just installed, so it was just ridden by a tech. So the motor is nice and warmed up, and I'm gonna go ahead and hop on it and let you guys hear them a little bit. They look good, that's for sure. Very nice sound, nice deep throaty tone. I like the way those sound, and I really like the way they look. Anyway guys, I'm going to bring her back in on the showroom floor where she belongs. I just wanted to give you guys a little demo of the exhaust and what it sounds like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and keep in mind guys that Rinehart will be here every single rally that we do. We work really closely with Rinehart. They make a fantastic product and they're really easy to deal with. Definitely a Rinehart fan. So stop by, check this bad boy out. Thanks for watching guys.